Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can disable in-app notification from Facebook on Business Suite. So let's get started. Firstly, open Business Suite app in a device. Then tap on Tools icon. Next tap on Settings. After that, tap on Notifications. Then scroll until you find in-app notification. Below it, you can see the option of Facebook. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can disable in-app notification from Facebook on Business Suite. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.